Saha. Actually, Saha, some of you may misunderstood it as like Saha. It is not Ha as in a hull. It is not the letter Ha. It is Visarga, like Ramaha. Strictly speaking, this Visarga should be pronounced as Rama. Sa. It is not Hakar. But for ease of pronunciation, you add the swara to Visarga and say it Ramaha, Krishnaha, Vishnuhu. Right? But truly speaking, Visarga doesn't have a swara. There is only Visarga. It is not Uhu, Aha, Ehe. No. It is just Rama, Vishnu. But in pronouncing like that, there is some difficulty and it doesn't sound too good to hear. So you take the liberty and say Vishnu, Ramaha, Saha. Got it? Don't take that literally as Sa, the Vyanjanam, the Hal Sa and a Ha. So you don't write a Ha there. You write Sa, letter Sa, and then a Visarga. Right? That's clear? And then Ucharanam Ativa Mukhyam. What you are learning in the class here is not becoming familiar with Sanskrit words. No. That's not what you're learning. That you can learn opening a book. It takes 5 minutes. You're learning Shabda. You're learning language. You're learning Bhasha. Ucharanam. Strictly speaking, language is that which is spoken, not what is written. What is written is at best lipi. What actually is writing? What are the letters? This is again, the Western kind of education that told letters. Immediately, what comes to your mind? It says, what are the letters? A, B, C, D. And what do you picture? The symbol A, because that's how the language is. That's how their education system is. But that is very misleading, actually. When you say Ramaha, what is Ramaha? Ashvaha. What exactly is Ashvaha? What say Mata? Is that letter what you write? You write 2 symbols in Devanagari symbols. You write like this, like this. Is that Mata? Is that this Shabda? No. Ucharanam kurmaha kila. The sound that you produce, Mata, that is Shabda. Got it? Mata, Shabda. Ramaha, Shabda. Saraswati, Shabda. Right? So if you want to chant a sloka, Saraswati, you want to do a prarthana, Saraswati Namastubhyam, you say that, or you write in Devanagari on a piece of paper, Saraswati, write a piece of paper, put that paper in front of it. What do? Which is prarthana?
To say.
Say prarthana. So let that be very clear. But we are so strongly influenced by the Western education that it is almost impossible for us to get what I'm saying. But I'll keep trying. You follow, right? It is easy to follow, but very difficult, and easy also to forget, because the system is like that. We are built, we are conditioned all our life through this learning that language is what is written, word is what is written, letter is what is written. Letter is ABCD, because the system is like that. But it's not that. That's why we call it a Shabda. Padam is called in Sanskritam, in our this thing, correctly called Shabdaha. Vagartha viva samprukta. Vagartha viva. सम्पृक्तो वाक् अर्थः Shabdaha, Shabdarthaha. There are only two things. Shabdaha, Arthaha. What is the thing represented by that Shabda? And these two cannot be separated. Vagartha viva samprukto, Vagartha pratipattaye, Jagatah pitarau vande, Parvati parameshwarau. Vak Arthaha. Shabdaha Arthaha. So there, Vak is walk. What is spoken? Shabda, not what is written. Okay? So when you realize that, Ucharanam becomes very, very important. Right? It doesn't matter how beautiful your handwriting is. It doesn't matter how perfectly you write. It doesn't matter. How you speak, that is language. Right? So that's why in this class, you're learning language. You're learning Shabda. You're learning Vakyam, Samskrita Bhasha. Right? By observing, by speaking yourself. So pronunciation, Ucharanam becomes very important. So, Saha, Sa, Tat, Tat. Right? See, and this example clarifies what I have been explaining last 5 minutes. Say Tat. In Devanagari, it is very clear. Devanagari is Ta. And how do you write T? You write under Ta and put a stroke at the bottom. Right? That's how you write in Devanagari Tat. But some of you, maybe most of you, who know Hindi, how will you write in Hindi? You will not write Ta and the next Ta with a stroke at the bottom. What will you write in Hindi? Tat. Ta and one more Ta. Do you know that? In Hindi, the last letter is always pronounced T. So you write Tata, two Tas, and you have to read it as Tat, not as Tata. See? So when you see both, one is Tata in Hindi, right? You write Hitta, and Tat in Devanagari, Sanskritam. And you are supposed to read that also as Tat. But when you pronounce Ucharanam, it's clear. Tat, Mat. Like example is like in Hindi, Mat. How do you write Mat? Ma. Then you write Ta. You are supposed to read it as Mat. Right? So Ucharanam is very important. Tat. Ta. T. Tat. Tat. Saha. Sa. Okay. Now, this was just a revision. Punasmarana. Abhyasa. What we learned last class. Now, we'll learn a new thing. Before we do that, I suggest, because it's a fun class, right? We're learning by yeah. So everybody is back. Anybody who is not back here, raise your hand. Everybody is back. So we learned that when the things are away from you, why we learned with action? Just to remember that you will use Saha only when things are away from you. That's why we did this action, full stretch of hand. Away, dure vastuni santi. Chet saha tat sa iti prayoga. If Samipe Vastu Asti, then obvious question is, what if you have the things close to you? We'll learn that now. Chashakaha. Chashakaha. Yeshaha. 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 Kaha.
एषः चषकः
Yeshaha. Kaha.
एषः चषकः
Next 10 minutes, it is a one-way demo. So all of you, please mute yourself. You have nothing to do but watch and have fun. Okay, just watch and have fun. But be muted. Video on, please. Yeshaha kaha.
एषः चषकः
Saha kaha. Saha chashakaha. Saha chashakaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha chashakaha. Saha. Saha kaha. Saha chashakaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha chashakaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha chashakaha. Ashwaha. Ashwaha. Yeshaha kaha.
एषः अश्वः
Saha kaha. Saha ashwaha. Saha kaha. Saha ashwaha. Yeshaha. Yeshaha kaha.
एषः अश्वः
Yeshaha ashwaha. Yeshaha ashwaha. Saha kaha. Saha kaha. Saha ashwaha. Saha ashwaha. Pashantu. Idanim nutanaha prashnaha. Aham tatra na gacchami. I'm not going there. I'm asking her. I'm here. She is there. Now I will ask her the question. See, watch carefully. Saha kaha.
एषः अश्वः
Got it? दूरे अस्ति. अतः अहं वदामि सः. सः. सः कः?
एषः अश्वः एषः कः
एषः अश्वः. एषः कः?
एषः अश्वः
सः. सः कः?
एषः अश्वः
सः कः?
एषः अश्वः
एषः कः?
एषः अश्वः
एषः सः. दर्पणः दर्पणः एषः कः
एषः दर्पणः
एषः कः
एषः दर्पणः
सः 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 कः
एषः दर्पणः
सः कः
एषः दर्पणः
एषः एषः कः
एषः दर्पणः
एषः कः
सः दर्पणः
एषः कः
सः दर्पणः
अवगच्छन्ति किल एषः समीपे अस्ति चेत् वस्तु एषः दूरे अस्ति चेत् सः मम समीपे अस्ति चेत् अहम् एषः इति वदामि चषकः चषकः मम समीपे अस्ति एषः चषकः परन्तु सूर्य दूरे अस्ति अहं वदामि एषः चषकः सूर्य किं वदति सूर्य वदतु एषः कः
सः चषकः
सः कः
एषः चषकः
सः चषकः
एषः चषकः
एषः चषकः
सः चषकः
एषः चषकः
सः चषकः एषः चषकः
सः चषकः पुल्लिङ्गे एषः समीपे अस्ति चेत् एषः दूरे अस्ति चेत् सः इदानीं स्त्रीलिङ्ग पदानि स्वीकुर्मः लेखनी लेखनी सा सा का सा लेखनी एषा एषा का एषा लेखनी एषा शा शा इति शकारः विष्णुः इति वदामः किल विष्णुः षट् शकारः एषा एषा लेखनी सा का सा लेखनी सा का
एषा लेखनी
एषा का
सा लेखनी
एषा का
सा लेखनी
अंकनी अंकनी एषा अंकनी एषा अंकनी सूर्य एषा का
सा अंकनी
एषा का
सा अंकनी एषा का
सा अंकनी सा अंकनी
सा का
एषा अंकनी, एषा का
सा अंकनी,
दूरवाणी, दूरवाणी, दूरवाणी,
दूरवाणी,
सा का, सा दूरवाणी, एषा, सा, सा इति सरस्वती सकार, सा, सा दूरवाणी, एषा, एषा दूरवाणी, एषा दूरवाणी, सा दूरवाणी, एषा का,
सा दूरवाणी, एषा का,
सा दूरवाणी, सा का,
एषा दूरवाणी,
छत्रम, छत्रम, तत् किम, तत् किम, तत् छत्रम, तत् छत्रम,
एतत् छत्रम्, एतत् किम्, एतत् छत्रम्, एतत् किम्,
तत् छत्रम, तत् छत्रम, तत् किम, तत् किम,
एतत् छत्रम्,
ये तत् छत्रम, ये तत् छत्रम, तत् छत्रम, तत् छत्रम, फलम, फलम, ये तत् किम, ये तत् फलम, तत् किम,
एतत् फलम्, एतत् किम्,
तत् फलम, तत् फलम, तत् किम,
एतत् फलम्,
ये तत् किम,
तत् फलम्, तत् किम्,
ये तत् फलम, ये तत् किम,
तत् फलम्,
पात्रम, पात्रम, ये तत् किम, ये तत् पात्रम, सूर्य, ये तत् किम,
तत् पात्रम्,
ये तत् किम,
तत् पात्रम्,